Good morning, fifth form pre-Q geographers. Hopefully the introduction to coasts has gone well for you. This is just a quick video to show you what we're doing today and where to find the information. So you go to your timetable, you go to the pre-Q geography, obviously. Then this is our class page. This is the information yesterday, just a reminder to make sure that you have a heading for coasts, top and center of the page, underlined with a red pen and a ruler. Something I've said all year around, so make sure we do it. What I want you to do is go down, go to the course outline, and go to coasts. From there, okay, I want you to go to the second tile here, waves in the ocean. Once you get to waves in the ocean, you'll see there's a lot of information that a lot of that stuff I want to go over with you, because it's sort of hopefully more of a one that we can get, I can get in front of you and explain it a bit more. What I want you to do today is a bit of an intro to waves and erosion, and that comes from this little link here. I'll just go back and show you where that is again. Okay, waves and erosion, pages 92 and 93. Onto that, okay, and you see talks about changing coastlines, so the different types of waves that you get at the coast, okay, and then how they change different coastlines. I want you to do the tasks on here. I've read through all those tasks. Those are all perfect tasks that I want you to do, okay, in terms of introduction to coasts and waves. So if you can get those all done, you don't need to write the questions, just write a heading as waves and erosion, okay, heading as waves and erosion, and then just put pages 92 and 93 and then answer those tasks. Any questions, obviously, just let me know.